Okay, so emotional support ducky, iron, thread, fabric, gloves. I don't know if I need the plant, but I'm gonna bring it, and I can't forget my Timmy tweezers. Wow, I can fit so much on this machine. I think I'm ready to go. Hey guys, it's Boki here from Gigi's Fabric Shop, home to Juki and Junkies, and in today's video we're going to go over the 5 fun facts on the Juki NX7. This machine is loved by so many customers for so many reasons, more than just the 5 I'm going to list here today, but I figured I would try to highlight 5 that I really love and I think you'll love as well. So let's get started. I think you could probably figure out what the first one is going to be. Just going back to how chaotic the start of this video was, is all of this space. You have a 12-inch throat space on this machine, and that has to be number 1 for me because I think that's always one of the biggest factors that people are looking for when they're trying to decide their next machine. You know, you're not just buying a machine for right now, but giving you room to grow and into making other things. So the 12-inch throat space is going to be probably the number 1 thing I want to highlight on this machine. You do get the extension table as well, so you get such a large working area on this machine, so you can do your quilts with ease. You can work with really anything. I have people that want to do curtains or just working with any larger, bigger pieces. You just have such a large workspace and you don't have to work in an 8 or even a 6-inch throat space to cram all of your stuff. So Juki's top of the line machines, the NX7 is the most affordable in this series. The other 3 also have 12-inch throat spaces, but at this price point, this is definitely a seller for me. Number 2, the Juki Smart Feed System. This is a feature that is exclusively offered on the top of the line series. So the NX7, DX3000, and the 4000 have something called a Juki Smart Feed System. What is this? Why is it so great, Boki? Well, I'm here to tell you. The Juki Smart Feed System is fantastic. It is a built-in walking foot system integrated to the back of the presser foot that just simply pops right down and acts like your walking foot. So there's no need to go get another walking foot or install it onto the machine. It's built in on it and it just simply engages and disengages really simply by just latching it down and up. It's customizable, which is really nice. A traditional walking foot isn't really designed to do any side-to-side motion like zigzag or decorative stitches, whereas this can do that. The machine is smart. You can do tons of the decorative stitches with that Smart Feed system, and it's smart enough to tell you which ones you can't, so you can't mess anything up. Unlike a traditional walking foot, it's not really made to do that. Another thing that's really cool about the Juki Smart Feed system is that it's adjustable to take bigger strides if needed or lesser strides. And what I mean by that is the whole point of a walking foot is that it has feed dogs on the top of the mechanism. So there's feed dogs on the bottom, that's what's moving and grabbing your fabric through. But when you put a walking foot on, it kind of makes there be 2 systems of the walking foot on there. So what's nice about that is it's grabbing the material and feeding it through, helping, you know, guide through thicker layers, stretchier layers, quilts, prevent puckering, amongst lots of different things. So it's really nice because you can make it take bigger strides if needed when working with those bulkier things, or lesser strides to have more contact with the material if you're working with things that might be slipping away from you or stretchy materials, anything where you have to make adjustments. It's not one setting for all, it is adjustable to the masses. Number 3 is going to be power on this machine. Something that I like, when I found this out, I was so surprised and excited because I couldn't wait to tell other people about it. So let's backpedal a little bit to the machines like the F600 and the DX7. How does this machine maybe necessarily compare in power to those guys? So something that's really cool about Juki's top of the line machines, the 3 that they have, the NX7, 3000, and 4000, is it actually has the same motor as the Juki TL machine. So it's going to offer more puncture power and more oomph in its, you know, stitches than the DX or the F series, because those machines have their own kind of motor and strength capabilities, where this one shares the same as the TL. Now, something I would like to preface, and not maybe like downplay at all, but it's just putting it into perspective for you. The Juki TL series machines are going to offer you the most power. They're as industrial as a sewing machine can get until you need an actual industrial machine. Those machines, however, are only straight stitch. The NX7 has over 350 stitches on it, so, and lots of other features and bells and whistles. The TLs are very cutthroat, very simple. They don't have as many buttons, as many features, so that motor is driving that machine to go just forward and backwards, so it has a lot more puncture power. On this machine, that motor gets distributed a little bit more, you know, throughout the different functions. It gets spread out a little bit. So instead of just driving the needle to go forward and backward, it has a little bit of other features that it has to drive, but it's still going to offer you the most puncture power in the computerized series, if that makes sense. So it's usually something to keep in mind, but it's really, really nice because with along the other features that I'm gonna talk about today, it's really nice if you are working with thicker materials, bulkier projects, and you need that little bit of extra power and you can't just get a machine that does straight stitch. This is a good way to go because it still offers a great deal of puncture power. Number 4, the 2-part pedal. So this is something that comes with all of Juki's top of the line machines, and 2-part because it has 2 different functions. So if you are familiar with the DX7 or the F series or even the TL, it's normally just 1 foot pedal and there's usually 2 functions on the pedal, where this part does 2 functions in 2 separate compartments. So it's really nice because some people like to put their whole foot on the pedal and you can accidentally engage that heel function on those machines. Now on the DXs you can turn that off, but like on the TL and other things, that can be a really hard thing to learn and get used to. So with this machine you get it separated, which I love. So this bigger side is just going to drive the machine. You're just going to go forward and backwards, do all your stitches, and then over here on this little contraption you can control what you want it to do. So up to 7 different functions, one being simply just not having it do anything. You can have it cut the thread, do a single stitch, do a reverse, do your needle up and down, even lift your presser foot. It's great because this machine offers a lot of features that allow you to do hands-free type of quick adjustments, and this being one of them. So I really, really enjoy this pedal. Really quick disclaimer, by the way, if you do have a TL or a DX7 or an F, well, you wouldn't need it. Well, you could use it for the F. If you have any of those machines and maybe don't love that pedal that you have all the functions on one, you can use this and you can get it at JukiJunkies.com and make it nice and separated so you don't accidentally ever cut your thread in the middle of your project. Number 5, if you've ever watched these videos, you always know that the 5th fun fact is kind of like a multi-part one. So this one has 2 facts in one. This machine has so many features on it that I absolutely love. I would definitely recommend you guys go watch the unboxing video that I have on this machine because I do go a little bit more in depth on those hands-free options. There's so much customization that this machine does. It's just purely made with you in mind and it makes life so much easier. So the 2 I want to highlight today is the pivoting and floating feature. These are so nice. The pivoting feature allows you to turn that function on, and when you're doing top stitching, appliques, curves, anything where you find yourself having to stop and lift the presser foot up multiple times to adjust and get that perfect, you know, kind of stitch, the machine will automatically do that for you. So as you're driving, it'll sew, and then when you let go of the foot pedal, the foot is going to lift up by itself, so that way you can hands free. You didn't have to take your hands off the project. You didn't have to adjust anything. You can just pivot, and then when you press on the pedal again, you'll proceed back to sewing. So it's just so much faster, so much easier than having to lift it up or use your knee lift or use that little 2-part pedal. Just faster. The next one is going to be that negative presser foot pressure value, that floating function that the machine offers. That is a very unique feature because a lot of machines don't do that. The DX7 and the DX series do offer that, but it's carried into this machine as well. So what that does is it puts the presser foot pressure value into the negatives, meaning it will raise up the foot off of the needle plate, giving you a larger clearance for your materials. So since this machine has a little bit more power and a little bit more strength than some of the other computerized machines, this feature is fantastic because it's going to allow you to, you know, make all those further adjustments for your bulkier projects. Like let's say you're working with denim, or you're making a coat, or you're doing bowl cozies, jelly roll rugs. Having that control to make your height of your presser foot go up is going to help you a lot, I promise you. It's also going to help a lot if you ever have puckering when you're quilting, or just puckering in general, like you feel like your fabric is shifting on you. It's also going to help there. You can apply more pressure or less pressure as needed to balance your project out perfectly. I hope you enjoyed this video today. This machine is incredibly beautiful and simplistic in design, but still offers a lot of really great features without being overwhelming, I feel like. It's all about the way you become educated on these materials and these types of features that the machines do. That's why we pride ourselves here at Juki Junkies and JukiJunkies.com. We are here to help you and hold your hand and of course pair you up to the perfect machine. So if you are interested in upgrading your machine and you're looking at these top of the line machines and you have questions options and you don't know which one to do, and they're all so amazing, and maybe you feel overwhelmed with, trust me, I know with the amount of information that's on the internet, I can totally understand where you're coming from. Feel free to pick up that phone or send us an email, and I'll be happy to hear you out and what you're doing and pair you up to the perfect Juki for your next machine. And so many people got these machines this holiday season. I totally understand why. I mean, who wouldn't want to have this beautiful throat space and all these capabilities and features? It is spectacular. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you subscribe to our channel, as I'll be doing a couple more videos on the NX7, so you don't want to miss out on those. Give this video a thumbs up, and I hope to see you guys very soon. Thanks. Bye.